everyone, my name is Kayla. Welcome to the Colorado State University Department of Design and Merchandising Textile Lab. Today I'm here to give you an introduction on the abrasion resistance machine. So prior to coming to the lab and using this machine, make sure you have cut at least 3 1.5 inch diameter circles from your chosen fabric. So how to use this machine? We're going to come over to the right side and turn it on. Next up, you're gonna need to grab these 3 materials. We've got the weight, which will go on top, the rod, which will hold the weight, and then the fabric holder together. So, how to operate this? You're gonna come, grab it. Using this handy dandy little machine, you're gonna place it in there and then unscrew it. This will come off, and then this comes into 2 pieces here. What you'll do is remove this cotton canvas. We don't need that, but we do need this little piece of foam. You're gonna grab your fabric, place it on top of the foam, make sure it's nice and flat, and afterwards you're gonna grab this top piece and lay it on top and secure it. Make sure none of the fabric is sticking out of any part of the contraption. Afterwards, we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna screw it back on. You can use this little tool here to help make sure that it's nice and tight, which will be really important during testing. Just like now, let's set up the machine. So each of these little tools will have a corresponding number that you'll correspond to whichever abrasion tester you've got on the machine. Ours is number 2. So we're gonna place this one with the fabric on the bottom, trying to get it as close to the hole in there. So when you take your rod, it can find the bottom piece. And now we're gonna take the corresponding number 2, 9 weight, and place it on top. So the machine typically comes preset at 200. So all you need to do is press the run button. Watch out your fingers, it's got moving parts, and this is how it works. The machine's gonna rub back and forth on this cotton canvas material against whatever fabric you've chosen for 200 rotations. So the machine has just stopped, it's completed its 200 rotations. Let's take a look at the fabric. First thing you wanna do, pull off the weight, and then we're gonna pull out the rod, and we're gonna remove, look at that. No pilling, not a lot of rubbing. Fabric seems to be in good condition. So our fabric obviously didn't show very good results, but if yours does, sometimes you'll notice the pilled fibers on these canvases. Make sure we always clean up after ourselves and put all the equipment back where they belong. So in doing so, we're gonna remove our fabric from the material. We're gonna place it back in here, untwist it. That'll come off. This will pop out. Remove the fabric. Make sure you still have that cotton canvas circle. Place it back on. Secure that on top. And then place it in here. Give it a nice hard turn. You're all done.